Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about Internetwork. What is an Internetwork? It is defined as two or more computer networks, LANs or WAN or computer network segments are connected using devices. They are configured by a large addressing scheme. So internet network is a network of networks that allows devices to communicate and share data. We can also pronounce it internet networking. Internetworking refers to the process of connecting multiple networks to form a internetwork. How it works: Internet uses Internet protocol and intermediate hardware. Routers and gateways connect different networks. Data packaging: data is packaged, addressed, and routed to enable communication. And packet formats are sent to manageable chunks, and each packet is assigned a port and a port IP address. Routing methods, you can say the Internet protocol provides the routing methods to ensure that the data reaches its destination. What are the types of Internet network? Let's discuss. Extranet and intranet. So what is extranet? An extranet is a communication network based on the internet protocol such as TCP, that is transmission control protocol, and IP, that is internet protocol. It is used for information sharing. The access to the extranet is restricted to only those users who have login credentials. An extranet is lowest level of internetworking. It can be characterized as MAN, WAN, or other computer networks. The second one is intranet. Intranet is a private network based on the internet protocol such as TCP and IP. Even extranet also the same. The internet belongs to an organization which is accessible by the organization employees only or members. Main aim of the internet is to share information and resources among the organization employees. What are the advantages of internet? Internet advantages, that is communication, time saving, collaboration, platform independency, and cost effectiveness. So we have discussed about intranet and internet working. What are the challenges while performing this internet working? That is security issues, risks. Internet working can create security vulnerabilities and increase the risk of cyber attacks. Performance issues, that is internet working can lead to performance issues if the network are properly configured. Compatibility issues, internet can lead to compatibility issues if there are networks that use the protocols and the technologies. So this is it for the video. If you like our data, our information, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.